Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Facebook video views. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Facebook app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now, go to your profile page and then scroll down until you find that video which views you want to see. Once you find the video, tap on that. Here below above the like section, you will be able to see the number of views you have got and the comments you have got. Now the other way you can watch this is if you go back and go to settings, and now in the settings if you scroll down and go and tap on activity log, and here tap on your Facebook activity to expand it. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on manage posts. Here you will be able to see all your posts. So go and find your video which views you want to see and then click on three dots, then click on view and you'll be able to view this again. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.